Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to navigate my website. The website, as you see, is called Laura's Teaching Experience at Western Illinois University. And as my background, I have Jennifer Gardner from the movie Valentine's Day. I thought it'd be nice to have a nice light picture in the beginning and when she's teaching her students about why Valentine's Day has the name that it does. So if we continue on in the site, we scroll down, we'll be at the welcome page, and this gives just a little information about the site. It shows that I'm a senior English education student. As we keep going, you'll see that there's a nice quote from Nelson Mandela. It's a very nice quote. I always like looking at it. And just gives some more basic general information about me and about the blog itself. For even more information just about me as a person, we'll go to the About Me page, about right here. If you look, so it has more quotes in it. If you can't realize by now, I love quotes. Gives some basic information about me, about my brothers, about my other degrees that I currently have, with a nice little picture of me and one of my friends, Katie. We go down, it gives some more facts in relation to teaching. Some of them is just more information about what I would do if I couldn't be a teacher and what I would do, like why I wanted to become one. You also look at me. This is at Navy Pier at the Shakespeare Theater, one of my favorite authors. And then this just has some random facts. And I really do love puns. They are punderful. And we'll scroll back up and we'll come to the contact page. Say if you, I wish I could scroll up. Each page will open on individual tabs, so if you want to just go from one to the other, be prepared for that. And this is basically where people can write comments and add additional information. The screencast won't allow me to show you, but a little to the left, it has my Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, so you can go on those. Give you a little sneak peek what that looks like. Gives us my news feed, or all my pictures on it. Click back to, and then this is where me posting a lot of teacher and personal related stuff. It's very fun. And this last tab is the blogs tab. Here's where I'm going to be posting blogs. As you see, there aren't any up yet. But if I show you in my Word, if I want to open it up fully, give you a small sneak peek as to what I'm currently working on. Yeah, some of it go here. So this is just how to navigate my website. You'll see there's the home, about me, and contact, and blogs page. And gives enough information to show about my teaching experience here at Western. Thank you so much and have a great day.